Okay, so now let's start with the Nissan GT-R. Pure goodness, guys. Pure beauty, pure details. Everything here is detail. Every single thing that you look at it, it's amazing, you guys. Oh, there it is. Nice. And let's see the rear. Ooh. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. I like those details. Obviously, buying this Tomica imported from Japan, a Japanese car, it has an extra level of originality. That steering wheel on the right hand side, it's just amazing. It's a purely Japanese car. The next car is the Type R, the new one from Honda Racing. And let's open it. Oh my God. I'm in love with that livery. A little complaint here about the exhaust. It's just painting on. Plastic spoiler, clear headlights, the Honda logo there on the front. It's just amazing, you guys. That livery, it's what draws me, right? It's the Hummer H2 Limousine. So let's open it. Ooh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. It's humongous. It's a monstrosity. Oh man, it's a monstrosity. Look at that. Can I open something here? Can I? Oh, I can. Oh man. No. They really did a number with this one. The wheels look a bit skinny, but man, Hot Wheels, can you beat this? No, I don't think so. You can. Oh man, I love it. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Your goodness. Have I said that too much? The same way that I say it's beautiful. So here we go. Official Ferrari products. Ooh. Don't you love that? Don't you love that shiny Ferrari in the sun? Don't you love those? Don't you love that red color Ferrari? It's amazing, beautiful. I'm gonna repeat it like a million times, but I don't care. It's amazing. Beautiful. There, I did it. And this one, Ferrari F355. This is the most expensive of the lot. It cost me 40 something ringgit, 44.9 ringgit, which is equivalent to that. And it's better worth it. Okay, here it is. Oh. I'm getting goosebumps. No diecast that I have can beat this. Forget about the top one. Forget about all the Hot Wheels I have. This is my favorite diecast ever. I really mean it. No, for sure. Like I couldn't be happier about this one right here. It's more than a work of art. It transcends beauty on itself. Like no. It's oh god. I mean, Look at the simplicity of the design. Look at the beauty of it. Look how those wheels are. They're not the best quality, I tell you that. They're not the best quality, for sure. But still, like, I cannot, that overtakes everything else. This is my favorite diecast ever, period.